We are Nick and Sam Simpson, and this is Simps on the Go.
Welcome to Ao Nang Beach, Krabi, Thailand. Good morning from our first full day in Ao Nang Beach, Krabi, Thailand. And this part of Thailand is a very popular touristy destination for people traveling all over the world in the Thai Islands, which is in the southern part of Thailand. So today we're gonna go explore Ao Nang Beach. And Ao Nang Beach is split up into two different parts. There's a northern part and a southern part. So we're gonna go start in the southern part and end in the northern part, which is where we're staying. So we're gonna go check out the monkey trail, which I'm definitely not gonna like, and end in the night market tonight. So we're gonna give you our authentic first impressions of this town of Ao Nang Beach in Krabi, Thailand, and let you know, if it's a little too touristy or what, we'll give you our true authentic first impressions.
So when we started this video, it was about 8:45 in the morning, and it was starting to get pretty hot. And it's only been about a half an hour, and it's getting quite a bit warmer. As you can see behind me, everything is closed. This is not an early morning city, which is crazy to me, but at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., everything is open. Night stalls, food. So first impression of the southern part of the Ao Nang area is definitely a little more set up for tourism. A lot of shops, a lot more going on, a lot louder. You'll see when we go to the northern part later, it's much quieter, more chill, and there's doggies everywhere.
But there are like two areas of the southern part. There's like this main area on the beach strip, and then there's like a foodie area a little bit further up.
Caught me a marlin! That was a terrible impression, but if you can name that movie, put it in the comments.
Ao Nang is really a launching point, but the reason why people really come here is because you do a lot of day trips. There's tons of outdoor activities, like you'll see in the next couple of videos. We're gonna go rock climbing, we're gonna go to Riley Beach, and we're gonna go island hopping, which I think mostly in Koh Phi Phi. But you can do fun things like the monkey trail, which we're gonna go walk to. You can hang out on the beach. They have resorts here. Another reason why Ao Nang is a really great launching point is because Krabi Airport is not that far from here. And it's really not that hard to get to. A lot of resorts have hotel pickups, and it's about 600 to 800 baht. We made it to the monkey trail, and although monkeys and gorillas are my most favorite animals, in Asia, they're just like a whole different breed of monkeys. And like when we were in Malaysia at Kuala Lumpur, I've never seen anything like it. So I'm probably really gonna hate this.
Yeah, it says monkey trail, and there were monkeys in the beginning, but I haven't seen any since. A little bit of a letdown.
That walk was about 20 minutes on a trail, but it was literally right uphill and right downhill, maybe like 15 to 20. But we ended up in Plong Beach. It is so nice, like way nicer than Ao Nang Beach, and I definitely recommend just do the 15-minute hike through Monkey Trail to get to this beach. Nick's gonna put up the drone. Cue epic drone shots now. This is legit scary. Babe.
Tragedy. The drone went in the water. As soon as it said aircraft lost, that was my heart just... I paid the price for some epic drone shots. I'm still pretty upset, but I'm trying to get over it as quickly as possible, so I think a beer is in order to help that situation. Troy
So Nick is still mourning the loss of our drone. So in the midst of our drone tragedy, while we drink our beer, I thought I would talk a little bit about our first impressions of the South Beach in Ao Nang Beach. First, it's very touristy and it's really loud to the point where like you almost can't even enjoy the fact that we're at a beach. Plong Beach though was super cool. There was in fact a resort over there that I would probably recommend than anywhere on Ao Nang Beach if you're just planning on staying here. So in the South Beach though, it really feels like you're in Thailand. Like it's much more of the rock formations that you see in all the videos.
We have seen so many pizza and pasta places, and even at our breakfast at our hotel, they serve pasta for breakfast. And welcome back to a couple hours later and a $15 massage later and a quick dip in the freezing cold pool, which, by the way, after how we looked earlier, we needed that.
But welcome to the north part
Yes.
of Ao Nang Beach. It is a lot less manicured than the southern part. It's much quieter, much less busy, although it picks up a little bit at night. So the northern part is full of these like night stall areas. Here you can find restaurants, yes, but mostly these stalls. And you go up, you can get some beers, there's like tourism stalls, there's food stalls, there's juice stalls, and there are multiple versions of these night stalls along the northern part of the beach.
I think a stark difference between the south and the north is they're all resorts, like super nice, or they seem super nice resorts, and just more of like a family kind of vacation, way more laid back. But the demographic here for sure is slightly older people, a little older than us, and also families.
Like I was saying, the night stalls or like the food stalls in the northern part are so nice, and this is a very modern, very lovely version of one of these food market areas. And what we're noticing is that there are way less, if any, pizza and pasta signs. Like Nick said, it's a little resorty. It feels more like geared towards a vacation rather than people just stopping through and using this as a launching off point.
So a lot of restaurants here, as you walk in, they have fish out front on ice, or the one we just passed by has like a bunch of different seafood out front. But basically you just pick one, point at it, pay a certain amount of money, and then they cook it.
Welcome to the Ao Nang night market.
And it smells good.
Let's go eat.
The one thing I love about night markets is the smell and the sounds, and not all of them good, not all of them bad. But we are going to do a proper food video in Krabi town in a few days. Oh yeah. Winner chicken dinner. All right, Ao Nang first impressions. It was very set up for tourists, which is totally fine because it was 100% tourists, but the food was excellent.
Yes, but we're gonna close out for tonight because we're both so hot, so sun-drained, and very ready to lay down, and I actually have to get on several phone calls for work. The next video we're gonna be doing is rock climbing in Raleigh Beach, which is tomorrow, and I'm super excited. I've never rock climbed before, but it's gonna be great. So thank you for following along. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment, do all the things, and we will
See you on the go.
see you on the go.
It's hot.
You ready?
Simps on the go.
Welcome. There's McDonald's. I wonder if it's as good as Dubai's McDonald's. Oh my God, that made me.
KFC.
Oh, that was KFC. I did see a KFC though. Oh my God, now that I'm thinking about Dubai's KFC fries.
Whoa. That was for you. Look at that.
Plong Beach though was so cool. There's an ant on my back. That's right.
So stay tuned. Whoa, that was weird.